Hi, I am Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnaye, Jimentisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnaye Quezon the First. What myself is thinking at the moment. Never let's go. When there is phone call a while ago, and then myself, when I talk to the person, I am energetic myself. Myself is such as on a situation of self-presence. On the left, on the eye, it is such as right eye. Right eye it is, not left eye. Why such that? I don't know. I just noticed it. So I will talk now. Faganega shisan, faganega shisan, sawagai shi. Oh, one more thing. The kabit is tends to copy me. This is the list of my wedding that I like. I will show it. This is mine. This one na. Tada! The list of my wedding that I like. And then, I will talk now. Why I show that? I show it because of the kabit tends to get the certificates of island about. Oh, they is intrigued that I have a certificate of island because of they watch it on my panaginip. Me and Alex Jr. Coinder is kissing as well. Kissing when that moment is on my panaginip. What it is about. The right eye, right ear does not want me to have it, even though that is a gift to myself. Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri tends to ruin it and then tends to get it, even though that is mine. I am not gold digger. I just observe of what is being get from me. I will talk now. Wait. I will talk now. Kudagaisi funga weiji, kung kway lahing tang kwayli, kung kway si pang maite. Anagashi tungaregashi kadagashi to, rogashi na itari ka na ngangay ngayon ko, pagkakway si pong kway, kasi pong makwayli, kutukanagashi tunggang kwayli, kung kwayli, kadagashi tungkong kway, si tungkong kwayli biere. What do you mean by that? I like in cheek. Hanggang kwaila. Kudugay kwang kway chi mamyane gashi ganoro goshi toro gashi da. Anagashi teregachi nagatoro gashi para. Kutoro gana ite. Katara gashite. Kuna fai to na oro gashi puma inirete. Kudukochi na I. Kutukaili. Otonga magashi na I. Otogashaga shinsiete. Kutufuaile kuna maete ete. Kutukan kong kwai tunoro ete. O tutufai tu. Humaya kong kwai la itinete. Kong kwai si pomba ite na maine. Kunda funga ng kwai si. Nung hongkodi ka na iterete. Toro gosi na I. Kutufai libiere. Tere gane ite. Kanangay sinsada, kadikon ko iliviere nete, koda faga shite na ite, kontoy raga shite na maine. Koto ko raga shi, nunga shikatsana na iraga shite re, toga shite na ite. Ha? Lover ka, Lex ko? Koda fay lagi raga shite nete, koda ka shita na ine, gasi na mi ite. What does it mean? Hotam fun kwaila se fun koi sipo meere. Kut si faidie no maite. Te faga shita na roto, te faga shita na maete na ite. So what does it mean? I don't know. Kwaila. Kwaila hiti meete. Kut sam fan kwai ti ma ati fu kwaila fan kwai shipa ma inerete. I don't know what it means. And then hutiara. Hutiara te faga shita na itinemete. Te faga shiterete. Uno waya tango jango kwai tinete. Te faga shita nata. Hotinkan shitene. Te funkan shankon kwaila shine etan fai di men piere. Toro gashite. Taga shita nana I. Toro foga shita nama ine. Faka nenende. Fuka de gereka shite. What does it mean? Ano yun? English daw. Hi. Kudia. Kudiere. Care. I will talk. Wait only. I am on this situation of talking such this because I saw something on Instagram. Hanayelete. Hola guys. Yeah. I talk such this and then I not know about it. Myself is question mark. Laughing of myself. I truthfulness laugh because of I not know about it and then it is weird. I not know if it is weird. Unique. Am I on danger? I not know. I need to explain. June I am on June 2019 already. Before I not know that. I not know. I not know. What about on June? June 29. Wait lang. Talk and talk. I not want clingy. I not want clingy. Anarete. Kunere. Kudare. Kudeshe. Kudave. What does it mean? Kudave. I will say about year 7-year Black Magic. I am now on year 2019. I am on this situation. I will talk. Loko. Lagi na ang sama. Is that what? Married to Alex ko. I am married to Alex Jr. ko. Kude fuere. At the moment, myself is on limitation on talking of such that. Kude fangay kakwelit. Even the tone. Why? Talk na ako. Babae ako. I am a girl gender. I just pony my hair. My hair is long. Long hair. Baby. June 2019. Christian Gabon already. On Christian Gabon. Day is on my ear. When my right eye wants myself to search Christian Gabon, the right eye is eager to know if Christian Gabon is something near to myself. When I say near, it is such as on socialization. I don't know why. And then, the right eye sight the face. When I sight the face of Christian Gabon on photo, the right eye thinks, oh, the right eye, me, I am Kunion. When I say Christian Gabon on the right eye, looks similar to Alex ko. On the right eye, looks similar as well to Alex Jr. ko face. And then, on the left eye of myself, I tends to... it's wrong. I tends to look on the photo because when I sight the... Wait lang. I not want you. I am a girl gender. They use black magic. Wait. Pinapatula ako. Pinapatula. Humia! 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 Upiara che piere maya. Kuti papa humiere mama. Something sa Tagalog. I not know what it means. And then, Papa! Natakot yung bata. Wait lang. I will talk now. No, Papa. Egg in here. I need to say about year 2019. Kaya nga, near to COVID-19 already, me and Alex Jr. ko. The bobo camouflage tends to interfere. Ayaw kita. Ako ko ano yan, detox. I not want you. Alex, lover ko. Alex Jr. ko, love life ko. I'm not thinking at the moment in there. When I look in there, I'm thinking of baby. And then when I think of in there, I'm not thinking. Baby on womb is thinking in there. On in here direction. And then in here, there's the thinking process. It is just natural. I am looking in there. Never let's go. I am business course. I could not talk. Yeah, let's go. I could not talk. myself wants to talk on Tulapong. Baka nago. Kiara. Kuya, isip not want you. Oh, someone says that. Kuya, isip mo. Kumbiara ganun tiere. Tu pupiere na maiere. Kutia piere. Kumbiara. Kutia fiore da shipo miere. Tu pagkaya maitere ga shidere. Tono no mai. Tono no mai. Tu baile me mie. Tu baile me mie. Tu pampara ga shina na maa. The feeling is on my eye. Tufungo na naiye papa. Papa ikiti papa ikini mere. Tupaghango shipo maya. Kutipong bilige siete na naiterete. What does it mean? I don't know. What's that? Oh, someone did this, oh. Oh? Does not want to be touched. This one. What does it mean? Merit kami ni Alex ko. 29-year ang Tagigenya, Philippines country. I not want the word with S because of Philippines. It is Philippines. 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 Philippines, not Philippines. No, Philippines. Philippines is my word, my pronunciation. I not want the voice on my ear. Please remove the person. Kill that person. But person be dead. This is not a good situation of myself. I am lover of Alex ko. Oh, Diyos ko, ang pangit nila. I will talk. June na ako, June. I am on Christian Gabon. I am near on done talking to Christian Gabon about on 7-year black magic. I will talk now. So, when the right eye person tends to... Ang pangit ng bansot, Alex. Diyos ko naman, ang pangit. Yeah. I not socialize to other person, Alex. I not want that person. tends to be noticed the person ay nauwad them, Alex. Backer of kabit. And then getting feeling. Creation of alibi of them, oh. Creation of situation. Nakakadiri, Alex. Nakakadiri sila, Alex. Diyos ko. Naont you. I will talk in English dialect now. So when it comes to Christian Gabon, the right eye tends to put me on a situation to search him. And then I not want to search him because my focus during year that year 2022 year 2022 there is harassment is harassment. Timiko. Do not be clingy to Christian Gabon. Harassment person is harassment person. Bad person bite the bobo camouflage. I will talk now so that myself be understood. So year 2022, Christian Gabon, 2022-2023. To count of it. On year 2022, I searched Christian Gabon, but that is not my body movement. That is a movement of the right eye. The right eye is eager to sight Christian Gabon because of a thinking process that the word saying is interfere. They is hurting my eye. So when I search Christian Gabon, I need talaga magdaldal and then my situation is this truthfulness ew. Diyos ko, Alex. Myself, ngayon lang ako nakikita na ang mataas ay demonyo at ang mababa ay yung totoong, yung goodness person. I am goodness person and then ang nakakataas ay demonyo, kriminal. Diyos ko. Ay, Miko, I'm not a criminal. Layas ka, goodness me. Myself is being killed. Ay, Diyos ko naman, bakit ganito nangyari sa buhay ko? I not want the bubo camouflage. Clingy. Harassment it is. self-talk now. Year 2022, there is the first count that I searched Christian Gabon. And then that is the doing of the right eye. The doing of the right eye is to search Christian Gabon on Facebook. Oh, someone is being understood of my situation. I just need to talk so that myself be understood. But the person is clingy. Please help me naman, oh. Nakakadiri yung bansot. What else? Baboy ka rin tala niya talks on my right ear. What else could I say? The right eye, the person that during that moment is Precious Crucendico, year 2022. Wants myself to search Christian Gabon because of the face. No. During that moment, because of the Christian. And then Gabon. When I search Christian Gabon and then I cite him, Christian Gabon, the right eye is on such as intrigue because look alike of Alex ko. As well on myself when I cite the face of Christian Gabon, look similar to Gabon. Look similar to Alex Jr. ko. And then the second count is year 2023. On year 2023, myself is search for second count Christian Gabon. For second count of year, I search Christian Gabon. Someone is crying. And then, year 2023 it is. I'm not the person who cries. Someone is crying. And then, the when I search Christian Gabon, I am lover of Alex ko. Me and Alex Jr. ko has baby. Alex Jr. ko and his mother go at the rental house during year 2018. Mamatay kang kabit. Di ka kailangan sa buhay. Baby is not kabit. Child is not kabit. Kabit is a description of lover relationship destroyer. Love relationship destroyer. Bobo Camouflage is Destroyer. Even my being soft, they tends to destroy it. Not want them. There is Bakar of Kabit, number 2. And then, I am the person that talks, and then, at the moment, they is hurting my chest. And then, what else it is? Christian Gabon. Oh, they know about it, about crime of Precious Christian Dico and myself. I will talk. Alive is me. I am resident at America. I need to finish on talking about this. Baboy Karen Talanya is killing me. Ano ba yan? Kamag-anak ba talaga yan ni Mama? Bakit mamamatay tao? Nang sa sarili ko. So when on the second count of searching of search on Facebook Christian Gabon, anger it is. The right eye is anger. Anger. The description of angriness is balakid, soplano. Balakid in English, hindrance on plan. And then on the left side, myself, dizziness on information, saying of the right eye. Alex Jr. ko, year 2019 is brownish color. I think of. And then Dota Boys is light. That is my Alex Jr. ko, year 2019. What else on Christian Gabon? Nothing more. I could feel talaga they is bullying me. I am lover of Alex ko. I need uh I need someone is putting me on suffocation, punyeta ka. Karen Talanya, baboy Karen Talanya is truthfulness killer. Nakakadiri, hindi naman ka-socialize. Lesson siya na, that is not a lesson. Lesson. Bullying it is. Oh, anong sinasabi lesson mo? Nang bubuli ka. At the moment they remove the echo, so that myself will not on suffocation. Echo-ness on my ear is such as putting heart pain illness on my chest. Diyos ko. Mukha mo. Hindi ka gusto. Bobo. What else could I say? Ano? Tends to get of what is mine? Kakadir. What else? I need help. I am near on Christian Gabon to finish talking. What else it is? The photo on Tita Jopen lingers on the right, in here on front. Why? About Christian Gabon. Saying about the word son. I will talk now. What else it is? Baboy Karen tala niya is truthfulness killer. I already say crime is what they're doing. I need to say about 7-year black magic. They're getting of my own feeling. Grabe. Diyos ko. They understood what is happening when I talk. What truthfulness is what will I say? Even I am truthfulness when it comes to talking. What else? Yan na, Rachel Anjamin is a senior putting me on such as saying, so that my talking is on angriness. Saying about Tagalog word. What else? The right eye is controlling it so that I could not say it. Oh, the informant to the kabit number 2 is on the right eye. Saying may tumutulong sa akin. Myself is being put chest pain. Tumutulong sa akin, definition, English, there is person that tends to help me on my situation because myself is being killed. else on the second count? Why you... No. Is this second count is getting my feeling? Christian Gabon. Yun. On the second count, photo of Christian Gabon during child. When I cite it, not not a baby of myself. My left eye is wonders. And then on the right eye, such as not a child of me and Alex Jr. po. You know what happens year 2023? Mother of Precious Crescendico puts me on talking so that it could not stop. I not know what they're doing. And then, I like my baby hair. Ta-da! My hair, when I am envious to person that that straight hair, it suddenly changed when I sight the beautiness of the wavy curly hair. Like it. Natural it is. Hemita, focus is me. What else? The mother of Precious Crescendico on the use of black magic, putting angriness feeling towards me, and then towards the mother. I feel shy to the mother of Christian Gabon. And then, I feel shy on the mother of Christian Gabon. Shy? Mother of Christian Gabon? It is in here. On left eye, I feel scared. In here, shy. I feel scared because of maybe myself will on danger. And in here, right eye, shy because of talking, talking of assuming about Christian Gabon. But the shyness, it is in here, shyness. And then, married kami ni Alex. Ew. Yuck, married kami ni Alex ko. I am a girl gender. Year 2019, I cite Christian Gabon. And then year 2022, my right eye tends to do body movement to search Christian Gabon. That I am Connie Ann, does not think of Christian Gabon. O. And then year 2023, when the right eye tends to search it for second count, that is what I described in here at the moment. I am now on the doing of Mother of Precious Crucendico, putting me craziness about kid, such as slapping my ear, and then slapping my face, and then saying, pabaya kang ina, something such that. Myself is, they tends to kill. I wish they be dead. That is what the doing of the Mother of Precious Crucendico on the use of black magic on myself. Precious Crucendico is civil engineer, kabit number 1. And then I am the original wife. Oh, my softness, my pureness, they is putting dirtiness of them. Next, uh, they wants to slap me during year 2023 about Christian Gabon. Angriness it is. And then saying, ay nako, manalamin ka. Ganun. That is what they is. My God, I am pretty. They is bad person. I am goodness person. But this is what I am thinking of. My God. In English translation of it, oh my God, oh my, try to look on mirror, something such that of what is being says of the Mother of Precious Crucendico. And then the next is, I am thinking based on what they're doing. And then the next is being says, they tends to get of what is mine, such as English. That is mine. My English proficiency is leveling. Yun, ay na-say bad word. Oh, they talks on my left ear. What else it is? I wish they be dead talaga. Bad person be dead. What else it is? Let me go. And then what else it is during year 2023? The mother, the mother of Christian Gabon wants to be site of mother of Precious Crucendico. The reason of it is to put angriness on myself. And then, on myself, dizziness. Dizziness. Why I feel dizzy? In here, I feel dizzy. What else? Chess of myself. Tug 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 tug. Something such that. Year 2023. And then left eye worriness about the mother of Christian Gabon. What I say is, ate, hindi ko inaangkin Christian Gabon, something such that, wala akong ginagawang masama. And then, in English translation, ate, older sister, that is the Tagalog of ate, that is the English of ate. Older sister, I am not hurting your son, I'm not hurting Christian Gabon, that is what I say. And then, what is the, I will translate. And then the mother of Christian Gabon suddenly from silence to talking. Does she talks? Naiintindihan daw nila. Oh, the older sister of Christian Gabon is my accountancy classmate, Rona. Rona did talks on my right ear. Rona says they understood me. And then says, talk ka lang. Something such that. I feel ache on chest. What else? When I talked a while ago, the girl gender on my right eye is putting me in a situation of sex. I not do wrong, I not do hurting on my reproductive organ. Who is the person a while ago? Short hair. Not short hair, I'm long hair. What else it is? While I talk, my eye is sleepy, want to sleep. And then, sleepy. Only sleepy is my left eye. What else? I could feel there is moving, such as cramps on tummy. What else? Cannot know. Next na. Ay, nothing more in there. I feel scared. Maybe they will put a blade. Ay, put a chemical. Never collects ko. College degree is me. So nothing on Christian Gabon. Third count. Hala. Wait. Third count. Why they is such that? The third count is year 2024, but during year 2023, what happened is they say on the right eye, assuming na naman, putting of assume of such as Christian Gabon is on Barangay Pinagsama residence, and then ko, hala, the right eye is putting me on her thing. Wants myself to be killed talaga. The person is uses my father. Bobo camouflage nga yung killer. Bad person. Kriminal. Ew. So year 2023 about Christian Gabon, the right eye does not stop. This right eye. This right eye, the person that looks on it, uh, he says, residence at Barangay Pinagsama, and then there is a girl. The girl that is a symbol of her girlfriend. I not know what it means. And then saying of the right eye to myself, why Gemaline Cantor Gonzalez? And what it is means? I will talk lang, talk. I'm not drug addict. Ano ba yan? Myself is a bride eh. And then, the girl gender on the barangay Pinagsama looks on myself and then says, magkamukha ba kami? Well, malalaman mo yan. Sabi niya, on English translation, am I look similar to him? To her? Well, you will know it. Sabi niya, on the right eye, the girl gender that has red color in here. Why they is such that? I am 29-year-old that I have a lover. I am just babe person. Just go. And then, year 2024, year 2024, myself suddenly search Christian Gabon for third count and then looking on the girl gender. Why they is such that? And then, year 2024, Christian Gabon says, meron pa akong sasabihin, hintay ka lang. He is such as knows something about the situation of myself. And then, I not know what it means. In English translation, I I will say more. You just wait. There is more to say. Just wait. Sabi niya. What do you mean by that? And then, nothing more already about him. What do you mean by that? Next na. That is year 2019. What do I feel? In here. Oh, it is such as I have fever. I could feel my head is on 20s age. Myself is accountancy student, heavy. At this moment, it is such as returning. Not no. Tok lang tok. And then, bad person be dead. I am healthy person. Maybe this one doing such that. I feel scared. What else? Mm, what else to say? June 2019. Oh, I'm already done on Cytex. About Cytex, there is chismosa there is about what it is, why myself is feeling myself is they tends to bully me. Wait, I need help. I will work. Alex Jr. ko, I remember my panaginip, the location of his whereabouts. I am with Barangay Tano during that moment when Alex Jr. ko is that rescue? I not know. That is included on my panaginip. Barangay Tanod of Barangay Pinagsama. Panaginip year 2020. It is not yet happens. Stairs it is, and then second floor he is. Is that rescue? I not know eh. I am with Barangay Tanod on the tricycle. I suddenly remember because I am talking. Alex Jr. ko, I am visiting her parent. And then I could not cite mother of Alex Jr. ko. Relax ko. Patayin kabit, but person be dead. On my panaginip, it is such as renting house of Alex Jr. ko. I not know yet during that moment, year 2020. I just cite it on my panaginip. It happens. I am indoor. I am with Barangay Tanod. I cite the tricycle of New Lower Bikutan. Not that the tricycle. The tricycle is hmm, tricycle. Ayan na. Dizziness na naman. Year 2020. Not year 2020. Truthfulness it is. But I not know the location. Only I am on front of that house. I not know. I not Never let's go. am with Justin Magdadaro. In that moment. Or Justin Magdadaro nan. What about police? Barangay Tanod is in there. I am on front of that house. Police as well. No. Need to post it on YouTube. Year 2028 is panaginip. And then, I suddenly say it, oh. There is no Rachel Ang, mother of him during that moment. La. I am on year 2019 and talking already. Kabit, pinapatay, kabit. Halish degrees me. My feeling is happy because it is been returned on myself about my head. Bachelor degrees may. It is in here. In that. I need to talk more. Today only it is been returned. Not know why it is such that. Next. What else? The word such that is on talking of myself because I am illustrative, descriptive. Kaya that is why I say such that. Panaginip of myself. Oh, picture. Barangay Tanod took me a picture. That is why. On that position on my panaginip. On front of Barangay Tanod. Is there a police? Color red man. Is red is barangay pinagsama? I not know. Oh, Mayor Lani is color red. Kinlang boyfriend to. And then, Alex Jr. ko is slim body. Slim body. It is on my year 2020 panaginip. I say, ano yun? Something such that. Slim body, brownish color. I feel what is why I nervous is me. Ano meron? Nervous is me. Tense is me. I'm Connie Ann. This talking of myself is on my panaginip as well. Year 2020. Oh, it's brownish color, Alex ko. What does it mean? Not know. So, this position of myself in here, year 20, panaginip year 2020 happens March 21, 2025. So, that is correct. But the vibes on myself in here is has a baby, but I have no baby. Has a baby because of this. It is not Durabox, it is deck organizer. I have no baby. I have no baby. I have a baby to Alex Jr. ko, 1 count, brownish color. Oh my god, I feel ah ano meron? Ang sakit sa ulo. I need to pause it. 1 hour and 24 minutes and 20 seconds. Oh, baby? This baby? Baby boy. Hala, rental status. Sa rental status din kasama ko. Rental status is. Ayun lang, baby ko. I will end my camera video at the moment 1 hour 24 minutes and 58 seconds. I am college degree. I am capable. I know how to talk to other person. I know how to socialize, and then I will look for work, and then I will save money. And then I will talk about 7 year of black magic. My mother is watching or will watch it. That is why I need to end my camera video at the moment.